So I was talking to you earlier and I said, your skin looks really healthy to me. Sometimes you want to get rid of the redness, but you want to keep that nice glow to the skin. There are some great products out there which will just even it out and almost work like a primer on the skin, like a tinted primer. So either a tinted moisturiser, they do BB creams, and they are not makeup like a foundation. All it does is it lets your own colour shine through, but it also gives you just that little bit of evening out. And I'm going to show you one now, one of my favourites. It's a little pump. Probably one pump is going to be enough, and then all we do is use it from the middle of the face where we get a little more of the redness and smooth this out onto the cheeks. It's just taking down just a tiny bit of that redness and making the skin just look really healthy. Also, a lot of these products have really great skincare benefits in. So during the day, they're actually moisturising your skin as well, so they're keeping the skin really healthy. So anywhere where you get a little bit more of maybe a broken capillary because of the dryness that you found in your skin, you can add a little more to that. But it really doesn't look like you've got anything on, but this side looks incredible. I'm going to show you the difference between the two. Have a little look at that. See how that's just calmed it. That's what it is really. It's just calmed it down, but it doesn't. It lets all of your own colour shine through. Yeah. You can still see all the different tones in your skin, but it just doesn't look quite as red.
Very, very good.
Do you want to have a little go? Yes. Yeah. I'll hold that for you. So just a little pump on the back of the hand, and you take a tiny bit off, like you would put your moisturiser on, Bill, to be quite honest, and just smooth it out until it's almost disappeared. It's quite easy, isn't it?
Yeah, very good.
And I think something like that will just give you that confidence that you don't think people are looking at the redness in my skin. Just gives you that little bit of confidence, and that's what it's all about.
Yeah,
looks really good.
Very good. Thank you.
Fantastic.